Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Corner. I'm Jemmy.
And I'm John. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, in today's episode, we're going to talk about weekends, what we do, where we go, and how we relax.
That's right. Our topic is Tell Me About Your Weekend. This is a great topic because everyone loves weekends, right?
Of course. And we'll help you learn how to talk about your weekend in English, step by step, with simple words and real examples.
Also, we've made a free PDF with today's keywords and phrases. You can find the link in the description below.
Make sure to download it, follow along, and practice speaking.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you can learn English with us every week.
All right, let's get started. Let's talk about weekends.
So, Jemmy, tell me about your weekend. What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend was really nice. On Saturday morning, I woke up late, around 9 a.m.
Oh, lucky you. I woke up at 7 a.m. because my dog wanted to go out.
Poor John. Okay, after I woke up, I had a cup of coffee and some toast with butter.
Nice and simple breakfast. That's a good example. So, listeners, you can say, I woke up late. I had coffee and toast. Let's say it together. Repeat after us. I woke up late. Good job. Now say, I had coffee and toast.
Perfect. These are great sentences to start your weekend story.
So, what did you do after breakfast, Jemmy?
After breakfast, I went to the park with my friend. We walked and talked. The weather was beautiful, sunny and cool.
That sounds perfect. I also went outside. I went to the supermarket and did some shopping.
Oh, what did you buy?
I bought some vegetables, milk, and snacks for the week.
Great. So, learners, let's repeat some new words. Park. Supermarket. Vegetables. Snacks.
Now, let's practice using these words in sentences. I went to the park. I went to the supermarket. I bought some vegetables.
Nice job. Repeat them one more time slowly.
So, John, what about Sunday? What did you do?
Sunday was a lazy day. I stayed home, cleaned my room, and watched a movie.
Oh, that sounds relaxing. What movie did you watch?
I watched a funny movie, a comedy called Yes Day.
I love that one. So, listeners, here are some useful words. Stay home, clean my room, watch a movie. Let's repeat together. I stayed home. I cleaned my room. I watched a movie.
Excellent. And remember, in English, we use the past tense for things we did last weekend.
For example, I go to the park. I went to the park. I watch a movie. I watched a movie.
That's right. Let's say a few more examples together. I met my friend. I cooked dinner. I listened to music.
Good job. You're doing amazing.
Let's review today's new words and phrases.
Here we go. Repeat after us. 1. Woke up late. 2. Had coffee and toast. 3. Went to the park. 4. Went to the supermarket. 5. Bought vegetables. 6. Stayed home. 7. Cleaned my room. 8. Watched a movie.
Well done. You can use these phrases to describe your own weekend.
For example, you can say, I woke up late. Then I went to the park. After that, I watched a movie.
That's a nice and easy structure. Try to use first, then, after that to make your story sound natural.
Let's practice one more time slowly. Repeat after me. First, I woke up late. Then I had breakfast. After that, I went to the park. Excellent work.
All right, let's have a short conversation. Listen first, then repeat.
Hey, Jemmy, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went to the park and met my friend.
Nice. What did you do on Sunday?
I stayed home and watched a movie. What about you?
I went shopping and cooked dinner.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Let's repeat together, slowly. Hey, Jemmy, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went to the park and met my friend.
Nice. What did you do on Sunday?
I stayed home and watched a movie. What about you?
I went shopping and cooked dinner.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Well done, everyone. You just learned how to talk about your weekend in English.
Yes, you learned how to use the past tense and how to make simple sentences about your daily life.
Remember, you can download today's free PDF in the description. It includes all the key phrases, examples, and vocabulary from this lesson.
That's right. And if you like this episode, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, English Podcast Corner. Before we go, here's our community question for you. What did you do last weekend? Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your answers.
Keep practicing every day, stay positive, and remember, small steps make big progress in learning English.
Thanks for joining us, friends. See you in the next episode and have a wonderful week ahead. Bye-bye.